Hello, work life warriors. I hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. As you know, I teach stress management. I show people how to utilize fun management tools to decrease stress and counter burnout so that they can be happier, healthier, and well balanced. I use over 50 tools, tips, tricks, and techniques to manage stress. And this week's tip, tool, trick, or technique is thoughts. Yes, we are talking about thoughts and how thoughts are so important to managing your stress. Think about how so many times we're not in the present moment. We're actually in the past or in the future, and the thoughts that we're having are they're producing, negative thoughts, feelings, or actions, or most importantly, stress or anxiety or panic. How many times of not being in the present moment are you not feeling, well, or you're like your best self, or excited, or abundant, or loving, or kind? Because it's only in the present moment that you can feel these ways, right? So when you are outside of the present moment, which means you're doing it in your imagination, using your thoughts to be outside of the present moment, you are, not only harming your short term, but you're harming your long term, because anything you're doing right now will be your what you sow later. It will be the fruits of your labor later. So if you spend all of your time now not in the present moment on, a negative downward spiral, or just thinking about things that can't be controlled, then you are wasting time both in the present moment and in the future moment. Not that you can necessarily waste time, but you're not doing the picking the best option to improve the quality of your life, to make sure that you're having an experience worth telling, because your brain is going to constantly think anyway, right? So if it's going to think, why not produce the thoughts that are going to work for you to improve the quality of your life, to push you to where you want to go? You can use your thoughts to work in your best interest, although they're neutral on their own. It's only when you put, emotion and action behind what you're thinking. It is your responsibility to control your stress, and to manage your thoughts, to make sure that your thoughts are producing the quality of life that you would like to live. If if you look around right now and your life is extremely stressful, it's because you are constantly thinking about your stressors, and you will attract them. And so what you think about becomes your reality. So it's in your best interest to go out of your way to manage your stress, to produce thoughts that add value to your life, to make you feel good, to produce the actions that, make you feel accomplished, or satisfied, or happy, or connected to this experience, because we only live once, and we want to make sure that we're living to our fullest capacity. So what about your thoughts? Do you entertain thoughts outside of the present moment? Are you aware that you are even in the present moment, or past or future? Mindfulness is so important to stress management, and it's in our best interest to always be in the present moment, because only in the present moment is where you can change things. So I hope this helps, work life warriors. If you want more information on this topic, you just go over to my lives. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I do lives about my stress management topics. And so this week was thoughts. And so if you need any more information, head over to the live section. I have about a 15-minute clip there talking about thoughts and stress management. So I hope this helps, work life warriors. Have a great day.